Welcome to our channel. If you want to sign up for a free Starz trial, follow these step-by-step instructions to access premium content without paying. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Starz website at starz.com. Step 2. Look for a banner or button advertising a free trial offer, typically prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 3. Click Start your free trial or sign up to begin the registration process. Step 4. You will be asked to create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. Step 5. Enter your personal information including your name and date of birth as required. Step 6. Select a subscription plan. Note that even though it is a trial, you will need to choose a plan that will become active after the trial ends. Step 7. Provide payment information such as a credit card or PayPal account. This is required for verification, but you will not be charged during the trial period. Step 8. Review the trial terms carefully, including the trial length and when billing will begin if you do not cancel. Step 9. Click Submit or Confirm to complete your registration and start your free trial immediately. Step 10. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you do not want to be charged for a subscription. You can cancel any time during the trial without charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.